Hello and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English news broadcast at exactly 10:30 p.m. live here from the headquarters in Asmara with me, Salem Brhane. First, the top stars. Nationals celebrate Independence Day anniversary. Road renovation popular campaign in Mandafera Sabzon. Serbia and Russia agreed a 3-year gas supply contract. At least 35 people died amid heavy rainfall in northeastern Brazil. Eritrean nationals in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Germany, the US, and Sweden celebrated the 31st anniversary of Independence Day with patriotic zeal under the theme Independent Choice, Backbone of Our Pride. At a ceremony in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, in which a number of nationals attended physically and others virtually, the chairman of the Eritrean community, Mr. Abdurrahman Imam, called on nationals as in past to strengthen participation in the national affairs, indicating that the shining victory of the Eritrean people in all sectors was based on the independent political choice. Mrs. Wayne Garazgiher, chargé d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy in Saudi Arabia, called on nationals in cooperation with nationals residing in other countries to strengthen their overall resilience. Mrs. Wayne also congratulated the Eritrean people inside the country and abroad, as well as the Eritrean Defense Force. The event was highlighted by cultural and artistic performance, debating among the youth, as well as sports competitions. In the same vein, Eritrean nationals in Doha, Qatar, enthusiastically celebrated the 31st anniversary of Independence Day, featuring various programs depicting the day. The celebratory event that was organized on 26 May was attended by a number of nationals and members of diplomatic corps of various countries. Speaking at the event, Mr. Ali Ibrahim, Eritrean ambassador to Qatar, called on nationals to strengthen organizational capacity and contribution in the national affairs. Mr. Ali also commended those that contributed for the successful Independence Day event. At the event, awards handed over to winners of football competition that was organized in connection with the Independence Day anniversary. Similarly, the 31st anniversary of Independence Day was colorfully conducted by nationals residing in Cologne, Germany, in which a number of nationals took part. Eritrean nationals in Portland, Oregon, the Uppsala, Sweden, also colorfully celebrated their 31st anniversary of Independence Day, featuring various programs. Residents of Kapta administrative area, Mandafera Sabzon, conducted road renovation popular campaign with the support of machinery. The road that was damaged due to flooding has been difficult for vehicles and in facilitating the daily activity of the residents, indicating that the residents, on top of physically participating in the renovation program, they contributed over 300,000 nafa. Mr. Walde Georgis Neguse, administrator of the administrative area, commended the participation of the residents in the renovation program. Commending the initiative by the residents to renovate the road, Mr. Maakele Tesfa Mikael, head of economic development in Mandafera Sabzon, called on the residents to conduct regular follow-up on the safety of the road for its sustainability. Kapta administrative area is located about 15 kilometers east of Mandafera city. Residents, students, as well as government employees in Nafa Sabzon conducted water and soil conservation popular campaign. The popular campaign that was conducted in Nafa town, as well as at the administrative areas of Mariet, Bakla, Indelala, Laba, Agra, Abelo, Bayan, and Mo'o, included redressing the environment, construction of terraces, as well as road renovation. According to the agricultural office in the subzone, over 3,100 people took part in the popular campaign, and over 4,000 meters of terraces and 204 meter cube of water diversion schemes have been constructed, and 6-kilometer dirt road has been renovated. Following a short break, we'll be back with international news. Stay tuned. Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić said today he had agreed a 3-year gas supply contract in a phone call with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Vučić said he could not discuss the price agreed and further details would be agreed with Russia gas producer Gazprom. Vučić, Putin's closest ally in Europe, added that Serbia had agreed with Putin that the price of gas would be linked to the oil price, but did not elaborate. Serbia's 10-year gas supply contract with Gazprom expires on May 31st. Vučić also said that he had discussed with Putin expansion of the gas storage space in the Balkan country. Serbia, which aimed to join the European Union, has come under pressure recently from Western countries to align its foreign policy with the bloc and impose sanctions on Russia. In 2008, the Balkan country put its gas and oil sectors in the hand of Russian companies. Gazprom Neft and Gazprom together hold a majority stake in the country's sole oil company, while Gazprom is majority shareholder in the country's sole gas storage facility. At least 35 people died amid heavy rainfall in northern East Brazil on Friday, May 27, and Saturday, May 28, as downpours lashed 2 major cities on the Atlantic coast in what is the South American nation's 4th major flooding event in 5 months. In the state of Pernambuco, at least 33 people had died as of Saturday afternoon, as rain provoked landslides that wiped away hillside urban neighborhoods, according to the state's official Twitter account. Another 765 people were forced to leave their homes, at least temporarily, according to the state government. Many of the deaths on Friday and Saturday occurred in Pernambuco state capital, Recife. As in many urban areas in Brazil, many of Recife's neighborhoods have been built in locations vulnerable to land and mudslides. The governor of Pernambuco, Paulo Câmara, stated that he has asked the armed force to send personnel and equipment to help them in this ongoing task. A 43-year-old plane operated by a private airplane in mountainous Nepal went missing today, May 29th. With 22 people on board, and officials said cloudy weather was preventing search helicopters from flying into the area of the flight's last known location. The Tara airplane took off from the tourist town of Pokhara, some 125 kilometers west of capital Kathmandu, for Jamsan, about 80 kilometers to the northwest. The officials said among the 19 passengers, there are 2 German nationals, 4 Indian citizens, and 13 are Nepali citizens. Currently, a helicopter that was sent for search has also returned because of bad weather. This is according to Sudarshan Bartaula, the airplane spokesman. The twin otter aircraft of the Tara Air had taken off from Pokhara for Jamsan with 19 passengers at 9:55 a.m. this morning, and there were 3 crew members. That aircraft went out of contact 15 minutes after takeoff, he added. The country's weather office said there had been thick cloud cover in the Pokhara-Jamsan area since the morning. Nepal, home to 8 of the world's 14 highest mountains, including Everest, has a record of air accidents. Its weather can change suddenly, and airstrips are typically sited in difficult-to-reach mountainous areas. And now the reminder of the top stars. National Celebrate Independence Day Anniversary. Road renovation popular campaign in Mandafara Sabza. Serbia and Russia agreed a 3-year gas supply contract. At least 35 people died amid heavy rainfall in northeast Brazil. That's all with the news for this evening, and thank you for being with us.